Alright, what's up everybody? Today we've been working on the ship box. As you can see, I got some equipment. Got the car right here. So we're gonna go over some of the differences in the equipment that we took out and it's going in. Alright. We've got some of the new wiring ran, all the old stuff out. We gotta deal with the RCA cables and the remote power for the amp, for the signal. Other than that, it's been a pretty easy task. I did have to kind of engineer and manufacture some stuff for the mounting location for the new amp. But for now, we're going to talk about what we got here that we're putting in and what we took out. Alright, so let's talk about this thing first. The old stuff, we got 1,000 watt RMS at 1 ohm. Alpine amp. Here's the part number. You guys can check it out. It's a pretty simple amp. You got an input, you got a pre-out, you got an amplifier link for like competition stuff, you got the speaker output right here, you got the power supply, battery, remote, ground, and some fuses. So, this box, what did we say it was? About 35.5 by 19 by, how tall? Let me see. What the hell, man? How tall is this thing? By 16.5. Side port. Two like 1250 watt Kenwoods. That's max. About 750 RMS. They're 12s. They have a foam face and like some fiber stuff. They're not too bad. They hit pretty good in this box. Alright, so that's what we took out. And a bunch of like tiny little wiring right there. The new stuff's like 0 gauge stuff right here. And I got my whole pile of crap in the whole back thing right there. Alright, so we're going to a 2,000 watt RMS. So we're going to be running 2,000 to this box. They're already pre-wired for 1 ohm for 2,500 watts RMS. So I will actually be able to run 2,000 watts to this total system, which is going to be pretty crazy. Alright, as you can see, they get a nice like neoprene rubber instead of and then they got like stitching and a nice freaking fiber cone and everything. Let me wipe these off a little bit. Cotton towels, baby. I don't know if this is gonna work good. Yeah, there we go. Alright, and we got a center port. The box dimensions are pretty much the same, except that it is a slanted box, which is gonna fit in the car a lot better. Other than that, these are the EVL 12s. Dual voice coil, 4 ohm, pre-wired. 32 hertz tuned box. So these things should hit pretty damn good. As for the amp, adjustments on the other one are like underneath the cover on it, somewhere over there. On this one, you just got the remote for your little bass knob. Boom. Little bass control. And then we got bass equalizer, gain, low pass filter, and the subsonic. And what we got? Just the input. So, pretty simple. And over here we got 2 speaker positive and negative input, or output, excuse me, and then we got the power, ground, and remote. So, sorry about the hand there. So for now, we're going to call it a day because, you know, I still got to figure out a lower mounting bracket for the amp, which should be pretty simple. There's a little pinch weld I'm gonna drill a hole through, mount a bracket too, a couple holes in that, bam. And we are using little grommets to isolate the amp. So all we did was buy a little kit. What the hell is this even called? Wire grommet assortment. So I used one of those to run the other wire. These right here, we're just gonna use them this exact way right here. So, I don't know if y'all can see that. There we go. We just run the bolts through it. The amp will mount right there. Bam. And it'll hold it kind of together like that. But, yeah. A little mounting bracket here. Use a little tiny carriage bolt for that one, so it will not come out. Drilled a couple more holes. Might lob off the end of these, but oh, sorry about the blurriness there. Yeah, other than that, everything's coming out pretty simple. We used a hole saw to cut a hole in the another little spot that could have a grommet but didn't. So basically, we're using some like little Dorman screws to kind of hold everything together, to mount the amp and everything. It's not overly difficult. But hey, for now, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Look out for the next one, because it'll be the actual installation and removal of all this crap. Alright? It's going to be a lot of fun. I hope you guys enjoy that kind of content. But we will definitely see you guys next time. So for now, y'all have a great day. We'll see you.